Imagine earning passive income from real estate without the headaches of property management, maintenance, or hefty down payments. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In this video, we're diving into the world of REITs, where you can invest in real estate without buying a single property. Let's explore how. The new wave of real estate investing. Real estate has long been one of the most popular ways to build wealth. Whether it's buying your first home, investing in rental properties, or flipping houses, real estate has a reputation for creating financial stability and even generating wealth over time. But let's be honest, the idea of buying, managing, or flipping properties isn't for everyone. The upfront costs can be huge, maintenance is a constant concern, and the risks can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there was a way to invest in real estate without actually buying or managing any property? A way that allows you to benefit from the lucrative returns of real estate, but without all the stress and responsibility? This is where REITs, or real estate investment trusts, come into play. What are REITs? A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances real estate that produces income. These companies pool money from investors like you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets, which can range from office buildings and shopping centers to apartment complexes and industrial warehouses. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how does it work? Let's break it down. How do REITs work? In a nutshell, a REIT works by allowing you to invest in real estate properties without the need to own any physical property yourself. Here's how. Pooling capital. When you invest in a REIT, you are buying shares of the company. These shares represent a portion of the REIT's real estate holdings. Instead of buying individual properties, you're buying a share in a portfolio of properties. Income, distribution. The REIT generates income through rents, lease agreements, or the sale of properties. By law, REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This is where the passive income part comes in. You earn regular dividend payments based on the amount you invest. Diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, investing in a REIT allows you to diversify your investments across a range of real estate assets. Whether it's commercial properties, residential, or industrial spaces, REITs can spread the risk across multiple properties and sectors. Liquidity. Unlike owning physical real estate, which can take months or even years to sell, REITs are traded on major stock exchanges, if they're publicly listed, meaning you can buy or sell shares just like any other stock. This gives you liquidity and flexibility that direct real estate investments simply can't offer. Why invest in REITs? Now that you understand how REITs work, let's take a look at some of the key benefits that make them an attractive option for passive investors. 1. Passive income. One of the biggest draws of investing in real estate is the potential for passive income. With traditional real estate, you need to manage properties, deal with tenants, pay for repairs, and handle various other tasks. But with REITs, all of that is handled by the company. All you need to do is invest your money and collect your dividends. For example, let's say you invest in a REIT that focuses on commercial real estate. The REIT owns office buildings that are leased to tenants. Every month, those tenants pay rent, and the REIT passes a portion of that rent along to you as a shareholder. This income is typically distributed quarterly, and for many REITs, it can be a steady source of passive income. 2. Diversification. As we mentioned earlier, REITs allow you to diversify your real estate investments. Instead of owning just one property, your investment is spread across multiple assets. This helps mitigate risks since the performance of a single property or market doesn't affect your entire investment. For example, let's say you buy a rental property in a neighborhood that starts experiencing a downturn. If you're invested directly in that property, you're stuck with the potential loss. But with a REIT, Even if one property underperforms, the rest of the portfolio can offset the loss. 3. Accessibility. Buying property requires a significant upfront investment. Even if you're purchasing a small rental property, you'll need to cover the down payment, closing costs, insurance, taxes, and maintenance fees. These can easily add up to tens of thousands of dollars, not to mention the time and effort required to maintain the property. With REITs, however, you can invest with far less capital. Some REITs allow you to start investing with just a few $100s, making them accessible to everyday people who don't have a fortune to invest in real estate. Plus, REITs are traded on stock exchanges, so you can invest in them just like any other publicly traded stock. 4. Liquidity. One of the biggest disadvantages of traditional real estate investments is the lack of liquidity. If you own a rental property and need to cash out, it could take months, or even longer, to sell. During that time, you may also incur costs related to maintenance and agent fees. With REITs, you can buy or sell shares at any time during market hours. This gives you the flexibility to adjust your portfolio and liquidate your investment when necessary, which is much more convenient than owning physical property. 5. Professional management. Another key benefit of REITs is that they're managed by professionals. These companies employ experienced managers who know the ins and outs of real estate investing. From managing tenants to negotiating leases, you don't have to worry about the day-to-day operations. The REIT takes care of everything, leaving you to enjoy the rewards of ownership without the hassles of management. Types of REITs come in a variety of forms, each with its own investment focus. Here are some of the most common types. 1. Equity REITs. Equity REITs own and manage real estate properties. These properties could include office buildings, shopping malls, hospitals, hotels, apartment complexes, and industrial warehouses. Equity REITs make money primarily through rent and lease payments. Most of the REITs that people invest in are equity REITs. 2. Mortgage REITs, MMREITs. Mortgage REITs invest in real estate debt rather than properties themselves. These companies provide financing for real estate transactions by buying mortgages or mortgage-backed securities. They generate income through the interest on these loans. While mortgage REITs can offer higher yields, they also come with higher risks, particularly due to fluctuations in interest rates. 3. Hybrid REITs. Hybrid REITs combine the characteristics of both equity REITs and mortgage REITs. They invest in both real estate properties and real estate debt, allowing for diversification across asset types. 4. Public versus private REITs. Most people invest in publicly traded REITs, which are listed on stock exchanges and can be bought or sold like regular stocks. However, there are also private REITs, which are not publicly traded and are usually available to accredited investors or institutional investors. Public REITs tend to be more liquid, but private REITs may offer higher returns and lower volatility. Potential risks of investing in REITs. While REITs offer several benefits, they also come with their own set of risks. It's important to understand these risks before you decide to invest. 1. Market risk. Since REITs are publicly traded, they are subject to market volatility. If the stock market is experiencing a downturn, your REIT investment could take a hit as well, even if the underlying real estate assets are performing well. This is something to keep in mind if you're planning to invest in a REIT during uncertain times. 2. Interest rate risk. REITs are sensitive to changes in interest rates, particularly mortgage REITs. When interest rates rise, it can increase borrowing costs and reduce the demand for real estate investments, leading to a drop in REIT values. If you're considering investing in REITs, it's important to monitor interest rate trends and how they may affect your investment. 3. Dividend cuts. While REITs are required to distribute a large portion of their income as dividends, these payouts are not guaranteed. In times of economic downturn or underperforming real estate, AREIT may reduce or suspend its dividend payments. This is why it's important to research AREIT's financial stability and dividend history before investing. Common mistakes to avoid when investing in REITs. 1. Focusing only on yield. It's tempting to invest in REITs with the highest dividend yields, but high yields often come with increased risks. A higher yield might indicate that the REIT is struggling or facing economic pressures, so be sure to look at other factors like the REIT's management, asset quality, and overall financial health. 2. Neglecting diversification. Even though REITs offer diversification within real estate, it's still important to diversify your investment portfolio overall. Don't put all your eggs in one basket by investing solely in REITs. Combine them with other asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and index funds, for a balanced approach. 3. Ignoring the fine print. Before investing in a REIT, always read the prospectus and understand its business model, fees, and strategies. This document will provide valuable insights into the REIT's goals and the risks associated with its investments. Investing in REITs offers a powerful way to participate in the real estate market without the burden of property ownership. They provide an opportunity for passive income, diversification, and liquidity, all with the added benefit of professional management. However, like any investment, REITs come with risks, so it's important to do your research and understand the specifics of the REIT you're investing in. If you're looking for a way to earn income from real estate without the headaches of property management, REITs might just be the perfect solution for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your experience with REITs? Are you thinking about investing in them? Keep learning about passive investing, and stay tuned for more videos to help you grow your wealth effortlessly.